Hi all, Chris here, and I've just had an interesting thought. From my previous video you may remember my TEAC DVTV 3401 DVD player and TV combo unit, and my Akai ATV 140 TV and VCR combo unit. And I've just had an interesting thought. As before said, I use this one to play CDs and music, and this one don't have much use for it yet, but it occurred to me that this one has output RCA jacks for audio and for visual and audio output. So connect that up, connect it into the input in this, put on and press play. Hey, there we go, perfect. Awesome, so I just thought I'd share that with you. I'm driving in my car. Cheers, Chris.